subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to receive the content. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a Kong soup with red peas, and I'm gonna add some coconut milk in it. So that's what I go prepare upon the channel, guys. Guys, me finish scald off the Kong for 10 minutes, and now I go cut up it and put on it to cook with the peas together. I'm just cutting up the Kong. So it's Kong soup with red peas, and I'm gonna use some coconut milk in it, guys. Water boil up, then I go add some pimento seed in the pot. I go add in the peas, 2 cloves of garlic and the Kong. I'm going to make them cook together, so the pimento seed I go start add flavor to the soup. So after, I'm going to add the pumpkin, now I have to add color. So I grate the coconut to go in the soup. Guys, I just buy the new grater here, it's sharp. Afraid of it, my people, because I don't want to get no cut from it. Now I'm done grating the coconut, and I squeeze out the juice from out of the coconut. Go into the soup. So I have cut up some pumpkin to add in the soup, and the pumpkin I go add color to the soup and flavor to the soup. Putting the pumpkin into the water. So now I wash the pumpkin and add in the soup. And the pumpkin go and cook in the soup. So after 30 minutes of boiling the Kong with the peas, I'm adding in the pumpkin. Guys, I look more stick to go in the fire. I'm washing the corn to add into the soup. I know it's Kong soup, guys. So I use some coconut milk in the soup. So I make the coconut milk and the corn cook in the soup. I'm gonna put this small piece of yellow yam into the soup. So I'm using a small piece of breadfruit, 1 carrot, some Irish potato. But I'm adding in the yellow yam first. peeling the yam and then cut up the yam and then wash it. Guys, we're adding the yellow yam and the soup. Some breadfruit into the soup as well. So I'm just using a small piece of the breadfruit. Guys, you can add what you want into the soup. I don't really like the breadfruit, but my sister, she loves breadfruit, so I'm adding the breadfruit into the soup for her. So I'm gonna peel the breadfruit. So I'm gonna cut up the breadfruit then. I use 3 Irish potato. And this 1 carrot. So I am not adding a lot of food into the soup because it's soup, not food. I'm adding the dumpling them in the soup. Just some little spinners. So now I'm adding the carrot and the breadfruit along with the Irish potato into the soup. I wash 1 green pepper and add in the pot, guys. The green pepper will help you add flavor to the soup. I'm gonna add some scallion and some thyme in the soup. Add flavor to the soup. So now me check back on the pot, and I'm gonna use 2 pack of fish flavored soup mix in the soup. So just mix it around because we don't want the noodles to stick in the bottom of the soup. So the next thing I'm gonna add in the soup are the okra. And the reason being why I'm gonna add the okra last, because I don't want the okra to cook out. Just need the okra them to steam. Guys, I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt in the soup. And I'm gonna add the okra in the soup. Soup done you know, guys. I'm gonna take it off you now. Guys, we are at the end of the video, and this is my Kong soup with red peas with coconut milk. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button